Need to do, guys, is go ahead and get on your browser, and we're literally just going to go over to Google, okay? So, hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited credits on IMVU. So let me just open it up right here and show you. As you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, I can actually get unlimited credits. So I'm going to press unlock, and let's see if it unlocks it. So as you can see, it says like navigating tunnel, session established, fetching entitlement profile. So we should get the credits soon into our IMVU app. So let's see if it works, guys. It says preparing changes, so I'm expecting it. All right, it says they were added. So let's see what happens to our IMVU. As you can see, I've only got 2,100. So let's see if, oh my gosh, it's going up. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this IMVU hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. Unlimited credits, guys. Let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. So what you want to do, guys, is go to the browser and just type matrixmods.com. So on this site, guys, you're going to find a number of modded apps. So go to the search bar and just type IMVU. And here it is, guys. So go ahead and press download. This is the mod, and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. This is where you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. They're all free, guys. So for instance, Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. Pretty easy. Then we have the Underdog Fantasy, which says down in room for 30 seconds. True Finance. I think this one you got to search something up. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and you'll have your IMVU mod on your device. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yes, it actually works, guys. You've got to get down with it and give it a try. It's really cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out.